Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two Notch platform, which is Notch Hook and Alcove. So let's quickly dive into it. Notch Hook in 2025 is a sleek Mac utility that transforms the notch into a handy productivity bar, adding widget, media control, and even app access. It's lightweight, easy to use, and even work on Mac without a notch, making it versatile and polished. The limitation is that it's still fairly minimal, so users wanting deeper integration or advanced tools may find its tools simple. Alcove, on the other hand, offer a broader experience by combining notch-based widget with expanded desktop enhancements like interactive notification, file shortcut, and system tools. It's great for power users who want more customization and functionalities from their Mac workspace. However, it's heavier on resources and can feel cluttered if you prefer a minimal setup. So in conclusion, Notch Hook is ideal for clean simplicity, while Alcove is better for users who want a fuller, more feature-rich environment. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.